Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're exploring one of the most beautiful regions in Canada, the breathtaking 1,000 Islands and the historic city of Kingston. The 1,000 Islands are a chain of over 1,800 stunning islands that stretch along the St. Lawrence River, right between Canada and the United States. Each island has its own charm, from private homes and cottages to historic castles surrounded by crystal clear waters. One of the highlights here is Bolt Castle, a true fairy tale-like mansion built on Heart Island. It's a symbol of love, history, and architecture that leaves you amazed. This region is called 1,000 Islands because it's made up of over 1,800 islands, each with its own unique charm. One of the biggest highlights of the cruise is Bolt Castle. Built in the early 1900s by George C. Bolt as a tribute to his wife, it's a story of love and tragedy. His wife passed away before the castle was finished, and construction stopped for decades. Today, visitors can tour its grand halls, gardens, and towers, a fairy tale mansion standing right in the middle of the river. You can choose from different cruise options. 1-hour cruise, perfect for a quick trip. It gives you a glimpse of the islands, the sparkling blue waters, and a taste of the region's beauty if you're short on time. 3-hour cruise, a deeper experience. This journey takes you past many islands, under bridges, and close to famous landmarks like Bolt Castle, while learning fascinating history from the guides. 5-hour cruise, the ultimate adventure. This one even lets you step off the boat and explore Bolt Castle on Heart Island. But since the castle is on the US side, you'll need a valid American visa. After the islands, our journey took us to Kingston. Also known as the Limestone City, this historic town was actually the first capital of Canada, making it a city full of stories and charm. Our journey begins at Kingston City Hall, a nationally designated heritage site built in 1844, designed by architect George Brown. This landmark is one of the finest examples of 19th century architecture in Canada. One of the iconic landmarks here is Engine 1095. Also called the Spirit of Sir John A. Kingston, is also home to Fort Henry, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and the prestigious Queen's University. Every corner of Kingston feels like stepping into history. Just a short distance away is the Kingston Penitentiary Museum and the Old Kingston Jail. These sites give us a glimpse into Canada's correctional history, showcasing stories, artifacts, and the reality of life behind bars. But Kingston isn't just about history, it's also lively, with a beautiful waterfront and a welcoming vibe that makes you want to stay longer. These places give a glimpse into Canada's correctional history, with stories and artifacts that reveal what life behind bars was truly like. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Kingston and the 1,000 Islands. I hope this experience inspired you as much as it inspired me. Stay tuned for more upcoming adventures as I continue exploring and sharing the beauty of new places with you.